In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in your Fiverr gig. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the keyword field in your gig editor and how to choose keywords that help buyers discover your services. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr, then click the official Fiverr result. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in to your seller account so you can access your dashboard. Once you're on Fiverr, look for the top navigation and open the My Business menu. From there, select Gigs. This takes you to a list of your active, paused, and draft gigs. Choose the gig you want to optimize. Next to that gig, click the small drop-down icon to reveal more options, and then select Edit. This opens the gig editor where you control your title, category, pricing, and other details. You'll land on the Overview tab. Stay on this tab and scroll until you find the section labeled Positive Keywords or Keywords. This is where you add the search terms that help your gig appear when buyers are looking for services like yours. Now it's time to add your keywords. Think like a buyer. What exact words would someone type to find your service? Use clear, specific phrases that describe your niche, your deliverable, and your value. For example, instead of a broad term like design, consider something more targeted like minimalist logo design or podcast cover artwork. Aim for relevance over volume, and focus on terms that match what you actually deliver. Longer phrases, often called long-tail keywords, can be especially effective because they capture high-intent searches. Include natural variations and synonyms buyers might use, but avoid repeating the same words in different orders. Keep it clean and concise. Quality beats quantity. If your service has a particular style, tool, or audience, add that qualifier, such as watercolor illustration, Shopify product descriptions, or lesson plan for elementary math. Make sure your keywords align with your gig title, category, and images for a consistent message. After you've entered your keywords, click Save and Preview. The preview lets you see how your gig looks to buyers and confirms your changes were applied. Take a moment to scan your title and gallery and ensure your keywords reinforce what you're showing and saying. If something feels off, go back and refine your wording so everything works together. That's it. You navigated to your gigs, opened the editor, found the keywords section on the Overview tab, added targeted terms, and saved your changes. Keep monitoring your gig's performance and adjust your keywords as you learn what buyers respond to. Thanks for watching, and good luck optimizing your Fiverr gig.